In this tutorial, we'll cover how to complete a project in SuperConstruct. To start, navigate to the project you want to mark as complete. Once you're in the project, you will see an overview page with a complete project button. This action is manual and must be performed by the subscriber of the project only. Only the subscriber will have access to the complete project button. Click on this button, and as we click on the button, it gives us a notification of any pending tasks in the project, and it asks us a question saying, "Are you sure you want to complete this project?" The action cannot be undone. So let's say you have a couple of tasks that you want to work on. You go back to it, make sure the tasks are pending, and once you come back, all you have to do is click on the complete project option, and once you do, you will notice that the status changes to completed right here. And now that this project is marked complete, there is no way we can go ahead and make any changes. We cannot add any more new users to the tab, nor we can make any changes to the schedule of values or make any changes to daily logs. Similarly, for any other feature, there is no way we can make any more changes going forward. That's about it. But however, you can view the information from the project card, and all the documents are fold under the Documents module as well, which you can share. However, again, you will not have any option to make changes to this. Similarly, let's go back to the company view and see what it looks like. So if we move on to the company view, you'll see that the project has moved to the completed status. And that's how you mark a project complete on SuperConstruct. Now let's see how to approve or reject a change request in the next video.